This concert hall was created by specialists from the UK and Japan. It's believed to be the first inflatable hall of this size. It's 115 feet high and seats 500 people. A special membrane allows light to pass through, creating a pleasant atmosphere inside. In addition, the shape of the hull provides optimal acoustics and is suitable for a wide range of events. The hall was designed as part of an initiative in response to the tsunami and earthquake that badly affected the Japanese region of Tohoku. Thanks to its mobility, the system can be moved quickly from one location to another. The following are modular homes from the U.S. company Boxabl. One of them was chosen by the entrepreneur, engineer and billionaire Elon Musk. The surface area of his house is 400 square feet and the price is about $50,000. Boxabl houses are made of steel, concrete and EPS foam. The structure withstands hurricane winds, fires, floods and is resistant to pests. The price already includes wiring, heating, sound and heat insulation, as well as other amenities such as a fridge, a stove, a washing machine, a tumble dryer and a dishwasher. This set can be expanded if necessary. The interior space resembles a studio. There's a single large room divided into a bedroom, a bathroom, a living room and a kitchen. The house can be configured as desired and can be set up in a couple of hours. It can also be transported on a trailer using a Tesla Model X. It's kinda awesome, Musk said on Twitter. What do you think? This Polish company also has something interesting to offer. It manufactures blocks that resemble giant Lego bricks. The idea is simple: a building made of these blocks can be quickly reconstructed to adapt to necessary changes. The final configuration of the blocks is the result of long tests based on many criteria. For example, a wall made with this material can withstand a pressure of 220 tons in about 6 hours of exposure to a flame with a temperature of more than. Manufacturing technology is so perfected that new blocks and those made 4 or 5 years ago are identical and interchangeable like Lego blocks. The manufacturer offers a large number of options. These 16 by 16 by 32 inch version, for example, weighs 661 pounds and costs about $19. Here is another Lego-inspired option, although in this case it looks more like the Lego Technic series. These blocks are made of a proprietary composite material, thanks to which they are lightweight. One block only weighs about 6 pounds, resistant to water, mold, mildew, pests and chemicals, good at absorbing sound and resistant to high wind loads. Minimal training is enough to work with the blocks, and the speed of assembly will exceed that of wood and concrete blocks by about 50 and 80% respectively. In addition, Envian contains at least 18 recycled materials. The manufacturer is confident that the blocks will compete with all existing construction methods and allow for a wide variety of design solutions. American experts are not far behind. The Monolithic Dome Institute builds structures like this one. Various materials such as concrete, steel and polyurethane are used for the construction, which in combination with the inflatable design make it possible to create a wide range of structures from schools and stadiums to country houses. This design has several advantages. For example, cooling and heating costs are reduced by 50% compared to conventional buildings of the same size. In addition, the building is easy to maintain and its construction is not limited by climate and terrain. It's even possible to erect it underwater. The Binishells team is realizing similar projects. They promise that compared to a conventional construction, it's possible to save about 50% of the budget and have the result 3 times faster. Moving on with our selection, let's go to Germany. A company from that country offers this new approach to building houses. The modules from which the buildings are made are assembled beforehand in a factory, so workers on the construction site only have to install them. One of the projects shown in the video is a 75-module elementary school. Only 2 weeks have elapsed between the creation of the first module and the completion of the interior works, and at the end of the life cycle the building will be disassembled. In about recycling, the company makes extensive use of building information modeling, that is, a digital twin of the building is created which simplifies coordination. The manufacturers also promise excellent energy efficiency and safe materials, which is an important factor in the construction of facilities for children, for example. Replacing a railway bridge in just 4 days. Watch out, German engineers are at work. The project was quite complex. First, the old bridge built in the 19th century had to be demolished, and then the new bridge had to be installed in its place. The new bridge weighed 1,400 tons and had to be moved 112 feet. A special maneuvering system with hydraulic cylinders was used, and thanks to careful control and the great experience of the workers, the process was successfully completed. Build a better future, say the manufacturers of this block system. It can be used to quickly erect a variety of buildings which are just as strong as those constructed using classic methods. The company offers flexible construction options. A 16-foot long, 24-foot wide and 8-foot high structure, for example, has a minimum price of $24,800. $9,900 of that are for the blocks, and a $100 deposit will be required to get started. The project will be made of quality lumber and has professional insulation. The construction of the blocks is well thought out. For example, no additional machining or cladding is required. Patented, tested, proven, the manufacturer concludes. An even simpler option is offered by a team from the United Kingdom. With these blocks, even a single person can easily build a house in about 52 hours. Each block is carbon neutral, fire resistant and breathable. According to the manufacturer, the building can have any size and it's more cost effective and faster to build than when using other materials. In addition, the blocks are stronger than bricks and don't require foundations. If the building is small, the featured house is designed for 1 or 2 people. Its dimensions are 12 by the manufacturer's website. How much would you be willing to pay for it? These blocks are made of autoclaved aerated concrete, a material that combines cost efficiency, sustainability and reliability. In particular, the blocks are considered ideal for construction in regions with frequent earthquakes and hurricanes and can withstand up to 4 hours of direct exposure to fire. A 4-person construction crew can build a standard single-family house in about 2 days. This speed is achieved in part by the size of the blocks. For example, there are 24-inch by 118-inch and 30-inch by 315-inch blocks. The material is also easy to finish. The surface can be painted immediately. The projects shown in the video were done with the help of a company in the Netherlands, but autoclaved aerated concrete is also widely used in other countries. Any size, any shape, anywhere, promises the manufacturer of this forming system. According to specialists, the system is ingeniously simple and makes it possible to erect all kinds of objects such as swimming pools, country houses, roofs, walls and garages faster than usual and without compromising on quality. The system costs less than similar products, is easy to handle and adapts to projects of all shapes. The reference to spiders in the name is no coincidence. The shape of the formwork's components resembles a spider's web. This makes it possible to avoid the appearance of weak spots in the future construction. Next up is an impressive project from Germany, the country's first 3D printed house. It's about 1,700 square feet and 2 stories high. It's designed for a single family. The building consists of multi-layered walls filled with special concrete and insulating materials. Mod 2 printers were chosen. They're controlled by 2 operators and can print 10.5 square feet of double-layer wall in about 5 minutes. The building was successfully put into use in 2021. According to a local official, the project has every chance of becoming a model for the future. In particular, optimizing the construction process is an important factor given the shortage of skilled workers in the industry.